Wow. Y'all gotta make this one. Y'all can't find them blood oranges? Find them. I don't know what else to tell you. Just find them. Welcome to episode 6 of our Clear Skin Juice series. So today's juice is gonna pack a nice vitamin C punch, you guys. We got grapefruit, blood orange, and pineapple for this juice. If you can't find blood oranges, I would recommend just getting regular oranges, of course. Blood oranges are amazing for you. They're rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and they're also rich in folic acid, which can actually help to fight off some cancers and diseases. So blood oranges are amazing for you. Of course, your grapefruit is amazing for you. It can help to lower your cholesterol and balance out your blood sugar levels. Your pineapple is amazing too because it contains those powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties. Of course, the bromelain in the pineapple as well. These are all going to be amazing for your skin, super rich in vitamin C, so it's going to help to fade your scars, to reduce your acne by helping to reduce that inflammation. It's going to help support your skin's collagen. Just so many benefits to this juice. Let's get down to business, you guys. We already have 2 grapefruit in here and 5 blood oranges and half of a pineapple, but I just wanted to show you guys how I easily take the peel off of my grapefruit. So I did save 1, so we're going to do 3 total. Just go around and then you bust into that bad boy, okay? When you do that, it comes off nice and easily. And then you can just peel off the little lace. Alright. Because I know citrus, peeling citrus, if you don't have like a citrus juicer or an attachment, because I know the Namawell actually has a citrus attachment, which I don't have, but I think that's a pretty easy way to do it, okay? It doesn't take long at all. Now, your preference of how much of this white pith you want to take off, that's completely up to you, but the more that you have, the more bitter your juice is going to be. Grapefruit is already bitter enough, so I'm going to try to take off a decent amount, but I also don't care that much. Grapefruit juice is actually what got me into juicing, you guys. I love grapefruit juice and I hated it growing up. So we have our 3rd grapefruit, and then we're gonna do the same thing with our little blood orange here. Just go right on around her. And then bust in that puppy, all right? I don't know everybody know how to peel oranges, but you ain't peeling them like this, okay? Okay, and then boom, bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand. We have a total of 6 blood oranges, 3 grapefruit, and half of a pineapple. Now, while we wait, beautiful color. Okay, so this made a nice full jar of some beautiful juice. Okay, and we got some more. So this is great. This is a nice vitamin C packed juice. They are loud out there. So there you have it. That is probably one of the best juices I've made in a long time. Is it? I think it might be. Oh my gosh, that's so good. So that concludes another recipe in our Clear Skin series, you guys. Make sure that you're subscribed, and I'll see you for the next one.